Hi students, welcome to the Abacus class. In this video, we will learn how online digital abacus works. It is the same as a physical abacus you may already be familiar with, commonly available in any stationery shops. What makes the online digital abacus unique? It is its convenience. You can access it on any device from anywhere. Choose your practice sessions and get instant reports. With a traditional physical abacus, you need to have a tool, a practice book, a pen, or a pencil. This setup sometimes feel repetitive, making students lose interest and skip practice. This online digital abacus solves these issues by making practice more engaging and motivating. This encourages consistent use, which is a key to improving speed and accuracy, the primary goal of learning abacus. We designed this tool to address all the challenges of traditional practice methods, offering a simple and effective solution. You can find the link to the online digital abacus uh, on the course page. Click it to get started. Let's dive in, see how it works and how digital abacus works. Okay, first of all, you just observe here. You are able to see one abacus frame which consists of beads and rods. All the beads which are in the lower part we call it as an earth beads. All the beads which are in the upper part we call it as a heaven beads. All the earth beads carries value of 1. All the heaven beads carries value of 5. Okay, understood. Now you are seeing a line which is crossing both heaven and earth beads. This line we call it as a answering bar. Okay. Now you are also observing some white dots over here on this abacus. These dots we call it as a unit dots. Okay, we call it as a unit dots. If we want to do calculations, we have to consider any of these dotted place as a units place or ones place. Okay, now if I consider this as a ones place, we have to start doing calculations from here. Now if you observe, if any bead touches this answering bar, then only the value of the bead will be considered as a count. If any bead lose the contact from the answering bar, it loses its value. Now I will show you practically. See, I just clicked one bead. Okay, now one earth bead touches the answering bar. Now what is the value? Value is 1. Okay, I'm going to move one more earth bead. The value is changing. Observe here. 2. One more bead. What is the value? 3. Now what is the value? 4. Okay. Now you can remove all the beads from the answering bar. Now what is the value? It's a 0. As I already told you, if any bead lose the contact from the answering bar, it loses its value. Okay. Now if you observe, I am moving heaven bead. What is the value of heaven bead? 5. Now I am moving one earth bead as well. So 5 plus 1, 6. I moved one more bead. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now What is the next number? 10, right? In units place, what is the left hand side of the units place? What do you call that place? It's a tens place. Okay. To uh, to remove the beads, you have two options. One is like this you can do. Otherwise, you can click the reset abacus. Okay. Click here. So it will automatically, it will reset to the 0. Now, as we consider this place as a units place, what will become this place? 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Actually, the value of the earth bead is 1. But it is in which place? It is in tens place. So, the value becomes 10. Now, what is the value? 11. Now 13. Now 18. Now 68. Now what is the value? It's a 96. Like this, you can do calculations. Okay, if I move one more left hand side of the tens place, which place it will be? Hundreds place. Very good. This is 100, 200, 300, 400. Now what is the entire value? 496. The value is 496. Like this, you can calculate values by doing addition and subtraction of moving the earth and heaven beads. For example, if I do uh, add of one earth bead in thousands place, what it becomes? So now tell me the value. 1235. I moved one bead in thousands place, two beads in hundreds place, three beads in tens place, and one heaven bead in ones place. So put together the value is 1235. Like this, we are going to do calculations of addition and subtraction. For doing subtraction, you just click the bead, it will move downwards. If you click the bead, it will move upwards. Like this you can do. And to clear the abacus, you don't need to click each and every bead. You just click here reset abacus button. So it will make the abacus clear. Another one more important thing I would like to uh, indicate you here. If you observe here, there is a number of rods. Okay, the option. If you click this option, you will see different numbers 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. This is nothing but it will increase and decrease the size of abacus. Now we are in 13 rod abacus. If I click 15 rod, the abacus is going to increase. If I click 17 rod, it will increase even more. Now you may get doubt why we need small or big abacus. See, 13 rod is ideal up to level 4 and level 5. To do advanced levels like board mass, D mass problems where all arithmetical operations are there, at that particular time you need to have a bigger abacus to place all these multiple calculations. I hope you understood this online digital abacus functions. Let's move to the problems.